Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawale Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is string constant pool and string literal pool. So I will explain you what is meant by string constant pool and when it is used string constant pool and what is meant by string literal pool. So string is a non-primitive data type. We can create a string with the help of string builder and string buffer classes, and a string is always immutable because immutable means we cannot change the string value if it is exist first in the string constant pool. Then when we create a string is mutable, then we use the two main classes, that is that's name is string builder class and string buffer class. Then there are two main type of create a string object, that is a string constant pool and string literal pool. So firstly we will discuss the what is meant by string constant pool and how it is used. Then if when we create any string in the literal, suppose string s1 is equal to double quote data science and string s2 is equal to double quote programming language and string s3 is equal to double quote python. When we create a first string in the string constant pool, then it creates the object. Then when we create a second second string in our program, then JVM firstly check if it is present string constant pool or not. If it is already present in string constant pool, then it create a references throughout the instances with the help of instances. Then we can create a string object with the help of also new keyword. In that new keyword we create a string object. Suppose firstly we create a string constant pool. Whenever our string goes to the string constant pool, suppose it is the first string of our programming, then it is string store in string constant pool. String constant pool means it is the area of heap memory. And then whenever we create a object with the help of new keyword, whenever we create a string with the help of new keyword, then it store the heap memory. And with the help of new keyword we can use more memory and program is more efficient. And what is meant by string constant pool and string literal pool? String constant pool creates a memory in SAP म्हणजे string constant pool. Whenever we create a string with the help of literals, it assign the memory in string constant pool. And in that new keyword, whenever we create the string with the help of new keyword, then it creates the object and it store the heap memory. Then whenever we create a string in the literal pool, then it create only one object and two references, and that two references points to the one object which is present in string constant pool. And whenever we create a string with the help of new keyword, it creates two references and one object, and two object and one references, and that one references points to the in that one object, that is called as and they assign the memory into the heap memory. So string is with the help of string constant pool, it uses the it creates the only one object, and with the help of string new keyword, it creates the two object. That's all about string constant pool and string literal pool. Thank you.